Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Costco haul for January. It's January 9th today, and it's the first week back at school for my kiddos. My husband and I start back at work in another week, so just needed to get us stocked up on stuff to get us going with the new semester. I still have Christmas up. You can see Santa there in the top right corner of the screen. I'm about halfway done taking my Christmas decorations down, and I'm still kind of in that in-between stage of trying to pull the house back together and get over a sickness that I think probably 3/4 of the country had over the break. But let's get into the things that I purchased this month. I'll have the prices listed in the description below. And if you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe and stick around. So let's get into it. The first thing I got were the paper plates. We always keep those on hand just for, using them when we just don't want to do more dishes. So we have paper plates, some Crest 3D white toothpaste. We needed some more of that. The Scrub Daddy scrubbers for dishes. We have one pack of these Clorox disinfecting wipes left, and we're almost out of it, so I needed to get those to stock us up. I got some tofu. This is a product that I don't usually get. I saw a recipe online for, it was like peanut butter, coconut milk. It was like a Thai noodle dish. But then it didn't have any meat, and I thought chicken could be good in it, but then I also thought tofu would be good. So I figured I'd get some tofu and we can try that recipe out, and then also use tofu with like that Japanese barbecue sauce and make like a teriyaki type tofu rice bowl with veggies. So we will eat through that. And my boys are 10 and 7, and they've never had tofu, so I want to introduce them to as many foods as I can. So we've got the tofu. Several of these salad kits. So we've got the Asian cashew chopped kit. It's a 2-pack. That'll be some sides with dinner. The Mediterranean kit. Both my boys love this one. That'll be a couple of sides with dinner. And then this flavor-rich superfood microgreens rainbow mix. We love to put this on like avocado toast and cottage cheese toast. Also got the Kirkland brand Ultra Fresh scent boosters for laundry, 2 gallons of the 2% milk, some bananas, a chicken pot pie. So this says sell by the 12th. It's the 9th today, so that would be like next Monday. So we'll probably have this for dinner on like Tuesday next week, maybe Monday. Put that in the garage refrigerator. I got the 5 dozen eggs. Excuse me. Those will last us for the month. And we do a lot of like breakfast sandwiches, scrambled eggs. I'm going to make some breakfast burritos, I think, and put them in the freezer. My husband's been on a breakfast burrito kick recently, so going to use those for some kind of bulk meal prep. Carrots, we are just about out of carrots. I put the last few in our kiddos, well, there's a few left, but almost the last few in our kiddos' lunches today. Some turkey breast, needed that. Some organic ground turkey to throw in the freezer. Cucumbers, Head and Shoulders. My husband likes this for his shampoo. Some green beans. We'll do this for a side with dinner. A rotisserie chicken. We'll do bootables for dinner maybe this weekend, one of the nights. Some snacking cheese, the fresh mozzarella. I might do some sort of like caprese salad or fresh type salad with mozzarella in the next month. These almond flour crackers, we love these. It's a 2-pack in this Costco sized box, so enjoy those. These Amy Lou white cheddar burgers, we love these. Amy Lou is such a great brand, so we'll probably do chicken burgers some night. Or you can just cook these and chop them up and put them on a salad, or, eat them as your protein with whatever you're serving for dinner. These jumbo meatballs, I got this, maybe in my last haul, and I put these in my crock pot. I also cut some of the chicken apple sausages from Adele's that I always get, cut those in half and added them to the meatballs, like in the crock pot. let it heat through for a couple of hours on low, and then served it with a side salad and some of this naan bread that I'll show you in my haul that we've gotten several times. But it was a really easy, good dinner. We got this pack of hard-boiled eggs. I figure as my husband and I are going back to work, it'll be a great thing to throw in our lunches or just bring as a snack. We got, let's see, these mushrooms. I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna do with these yet. I might do some sort of pasta dish. My husband just loves mushrooms, and I never use them as enough because they go bad so quickly, but I'll cook them up in the next couple of days and add them to some sort of recipe. We got this box of Siete chips. There's 14 bags in here. There's 6 of the tortilla chips, 4 of the lime, and 4 of the nacho cheese. Some feta cheese. We love having this feta on hand for all kinds of like Greek salads. Some Greek yogurt, some cottage cheese. These are staples. We get them every single time we go to Costco. Some coffee, the San Francisco French roast. Chicken breast chunks, we are out of these. Got those for the freezer, as well as these chicken breast fillets. I think I'm gonna do like chicken Parmesan for dinner one night. And then, I don't know how many fillets are in here, but I'm sure this will be a couple of different dinners for us. But chicken Parmesan sounded good, so I'll do that some night coming up in the next month. This pizza kit, this was a new pizza kit. We've gotten these different style of kits before, but this is sourdough. And instead of coming with 4 crusts, it comes with 3, which is actually great because we always have so many leftovers when we do these kits. So the 3 will be great for us. And it comes with the sauce. You just add the toppings yourself. What else? We got these walnuts. We are just about out of walnuts. We love these in our oatmeal, banana bread. If we do like a Ninja Creamy, we add nuts for some crunch. We just love walnuts. It's probably our favorite. Walnuts and almonds are our favorite nuts to have on hand. This ground beef, organic ground beef, it's a 3-pack. I'm gonna throw those in the freezer and use them for different things. I think I'm gonna make chili soon, and yeah, I'll come up with different things for the ground beef. I got this 2-pack of the boneless chuck roast, so I'll probably do a pot roast at some time. I'm gonna throw these in the freezer, pot roast, and then maybe, I'm not sure what I'll do with the other one, maybe 2 pot roasts over the next couple months. Or some, yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Throw them in the freezer just so we have some options. 2 boxes of these sous vide egg bites. These are just a super easy breakfast for us when we can't think of anything or are low, short on time or don't really know what to make. So we'll eat through those. Some ramen for that recipe I was talking about with the tofu, as well as different other options for us over the next month or so. Hummus for our carrots and cucumbers. Some Cosmic Crisp apples. I got 2 boxes of these Suja Immunity Turmeric and Pineapple Health Shots. There's like 10 in each of these boxes, and I got 2 of the boxes. So this time of year, it's been so great to have those on hand. Some fresh mozzarella, Parmesan, fresh Parmesan to keep in the refrigerator. This Chobani coffee creamer, we love that. It's our go-to. And then we'll go back this way. I got this Fairlife chocolate protein drink. It's 30 grams of protein, and there's 2 grams of sugar per bottle. So we love the Fairlife milk. The protein drinks are really good as well. And then I got the Premier Protein. This is a new one for me. It's an 18-pack and it's cookie dough. So I thought specifically that this would be really good with like coffee, or throw a couple shots of espresso on ice and then dump this over it. So that's what that is for. And then this is the naan bread I was talking about that we had with the meatballs. This has been so great. We love this. It comes with 2 packs of 5. My boys love it. It's garlicky and it's just super tasty. So these last, if you don't open them, until like April. So I got 2 packs. So there's 4 different, these can go 4 different sides for meals over the next couple months. this was like the last one on the shelf, and I'd seen this before the holidays, but obviously somebody returned it or something, or maybe it was just their last one in stock. And it's a vacuum and blower by Fantic. So I grabbed that. A couple pairs of these joggers that I thought would be great to have. So I got a gray pair and a black pair. This buffalo style crispy chip with chicken breast, egg whites, and bone broth. This is really good, like to dip into tuna and eat it. Some more Siete chips. These are just the tortilla chips. I figured if we have like nachos some night or just want some chips and salsa, we'll have that on hand. I know the Olympics is starting here in like a month, so that's exciting. We'll probably try to watch some of the Winter Olympics. And then some tomatoes. Oh, and I also got some dog food. So there's the dog food. So that's what we purchased this month at Costco. Let me know if you found anything or if you've had any of these products before, or if there's something new at your Costco that I should try. I hope that you guys are having a great start to your year, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.